Hello friends, welcome to Talk with Books. In today's video, we are going to study about the chapter triangles, and the topic that we are going to cover is congruence. Two figures or objects are said to be congruent if they have the same shape and size. That is, if we have two figures which are having same shape and size, it has the same shape, it has the same size. That means all its angle will be equal to the other figure and all its sides will also be equal to the other figure. For example, we have two figures over here. I'll prove that these two figures are congruent by overlapping the second figure over the first figure. If the second figure covers the first figure fully and the first figure covers the second figure fully, that means they both are congruent. But you know what? We can't really do this when two figures are given in a paper. We can't move the figures, right? So we need to know all the sides of the figure, and the shape should also be the same to prove that the figure is congruent to the other. And now let's have a look at the congruence of triangles. In the case of triangles, we just need three criteria to prove that one triangle is congruent to the other. We just need three criteria. We can't take any random criterias, but yeah, we have some rules called congruence rules, which has three criteria so that we can prove two triangles to be congruent. One is SAS congruence rule. It says two triangles are congruent if two sides and the included angle of one triangle are equal to the sides and the included angle of the other triangle. I'll explain this better with the help of an example. So here we have two triangles. One is triangle ABC and the other is triangle PQR. Here AB is equals to PQ and BC is equals to QR. And the included angle ABC and PQR are also equal. Remember friends, the angle should be included between the two sides. Here we have the two sides, here we have the two sides, and the angle should be included between the two equal sides. Now we can say that these two triangles are congruent by SAS congruency rule. Now I have a question for you all. It says in the figure OA is equals to OB and OD is equals to OC. Show that triangle AOD is congruent to triangle BOC and AD is parallel to BC. So let's do the first part. So now it's already given that OA is equals to OB, right? It's already given. So we have to write it in the bracket that it is given. See, we have OA is equals to OB, OA from the triangle AOD and OB from the triangle BOC. So we have that one side is equal. The other is also given that OD is equals to OC and OD is from the triangle AOD and OC is from the triangle BOC. So we have to write that it is given as I already told you. And we have to have one more criteria which shows that these two triangles are congruent. If you can find it out, then please write in the comment box that what is the other criteria. If you could find out, then it's amazing. If not, then I'll tell you. As we can see that the lines AB and CD are intersecting. So hence they are intersecting lines. We have a property for intersecting lines that the vertically opposite angles are equal. I'm talking about the angles COB and AOD. They both are equal because AB and CD are intersecting lines, and we have a property for intersecting lines that vertically opposite angles are always equal. So we can say that the angle BOC from the triangle BOC and the angle AOD from the triangle AOD are equal as they are vertically opposite angles. We have to write it in the bracket that why is it equal. So here it is equal because they are vertically opposite angles. Therefore, we can say that triangle AOD is congruent to the triangle BOC by SAS congruence rule. You know what? S means side, A means angle, and S means again side. And A is in between because angle is included between two sides. Now let's have a look at the second part of the question. It says prove that AD is parallel to BC. So by CPCT, we can say that angle OAD is equals to OBC. Here we have two lines AD and CB, and there is a transversal called BA. Here the angle OAD and the angle OBC are alternate angles. As the alternate angles are equal, we can say that the two lines AD and BC are parallel. As we all know that the alternate angles are equal in parallel lines, we can say that the line segment AD is parallel to the line segment BC. Here CPCT means corresponding parts of congruent triangles. This means that if there is two triangles which are proved to be congruent, all its sides and angles would be equal. Like for example, we have this angle OAD which is equals to OBC and angle BCO is equals to ADO, right? Because these two triangles are congruent. They are proved to be congruent. If they are congruent, that means all its angles and all its sides will be equal. So that's why we took this that the angle OAD is equals to the angle OBC. Today we completed a part of this chapter. And that's all for today. I hope that my video was helpful. If yes, then please like my video, share, comment, and subscribe my channel. I'll be back with my another amazing video. Until then, bye bye. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.